Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. On this video, we are going to have a supplementary lesson, and we do this so that we can have better understanding and background in relation to the day-per-day word that I'm going to upload on this YouTube channel. To be specific, let's learn the consonants of Hangul. On this video, we'll be able to discuss the regular and double consonants of Hangul. Let's start with the regular consonants. Kiok. Kiok. This is similar to letter G of the alphabet. Nian. Nian. This is similar to letter N of the alphabet. Dikut. Dikut. This is similar to letter D of the alphabet. Real. Real. This is similar to letter R or L of the English alphabet. Mium. Mium. This is similar to letter M of the alphabet. Beep. Beep. This is similar to letter B of the alphabet. Siot. Siot. This is similar to letter S of the alphabet. Ieung. Ieung. There are cases wherein ieung sounds like the combination of the sounds of ng, and sometimes it has no sound. Chiut. Chiut. This is similar to letter J of the alphabet. Chiut. Chiut. This is similar to the CH sound of the alphabet. Kiuk. Kiuk. This is similar to letter K of the alphabet. Tiut. Tiut. This is similar to letter T of the alphabet. Piep. Piep. This is similar to letter P of the alphabet. Here. Here. This is similar to letter H of the alphabet. Here is the summary of the regular consonants discussed on this video. Giok, Niun, Dikut, Real, Mium, Biop, Siot, Ieung, Jiot, Chiut, Kiok, Kiut, Piep, and Here. Now let's proceed to the double consonants of Hangul. Sang Chiut. Sang Chiut. This is equivalent to the double J sound. Sang Siut or double Siut. This is similar to the double S sound. Sang Biop. Sang Biop. This is similar to the double Biop or the double P sound. Sang Dikut. Sang Dikut. This is similar to the double T sound. Sang Kiuk. Sang Giok. This is the same as double giok or double K sound. Here is the summary of the double consonant discussed on this video. Sang giok, sang dikut, sang biut, sang siut, sang jiut. And with that, you just learned the consonant sounds of Hangul. Congratulations! You may also check for other supplementary videos available on this channel. And that includes the vowel sounds of Hangul. And we also have a video about how to use ieung. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. This time, we have another supplementary video, and this will be about the vowel sounds of Hangul. On this video, we'll be able to tackle the regular vowels, the Y sound of vowels, and the W sound of vowels. Let's start with the regular vowels. E, E, A, A, O, O, U, O, O, U, U, E, 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 E. If you would notice, the sounds E, A, O, and E have branches pointed rightward or upward. That's why these four are considered positive vowels. On the other hand, U, O, U, and E are pointed leftward or downward. That's why they are considered negative vowels. Let's study more vowels. Ui, ui. We, we. We. Here is the summary of the further vowels that we studied. And if you would notice, these sounds are created by the combination of the previously learned vowels. Now let's proceed to the Y sounds of vowels. Ya, ya. Yo, yo. Ye, ye. Yo, yo. You, you. Ye, ye. Here is a summary of the Y sounds of vowels discussed on this video. Ya, yo, ye, yo, you, ye. Let's proceed to the W sounds of vowels. we, 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 wo, wo, wa, wa. Here is the summary of the W sounds of vowels. If you would notice, these are formed from the combination of the previously learned vowels. Not like the Y sounds, which is produced by just adding Y. The W sounds are formed from the combination of O or U with another vowel. Let's start with Wa. Wa is formed from the combination of the vowel sounds of O and A, which forms Oa sound. We is the combination of the sounds of O and A, which results to a sound that sounds like Oe. Wa is also just the combination of U and O, and We is the combination of U and E. And with that, you just learned the vowel sounds of Hangul. Congrats! You may also check for other supplementary videos available on this YouTube channel. We have a video about the consonant sounds of Hangul and a video about how to use ieung. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean lessons. Bye! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. This is another supplementary lesson, and this time we're going to study how to use ieung. First of all, ieung is considered a consonant. If you would remember, this is one among the consonants tackled on a supplementary video about consonants. There are two possible positions for ieung on a syllable. If it is in position 1, it has no sound, and if it is in position 3, it has the ng sound. Take for example the following syllables: an, on, and ya. An is formed from the combination of the sounds of a and nian, but there is an ieung on the first position that has no sound. That's why it is only pronounced as an. Another syllable is on. This is formed from the combination of the sounds of o and nian. And again, there's an ieung on the first position of the syllable, but it has no sound. The same thing as ya. Ya is just the sound of ya itself with an ieung on the first position of the syllable. There are cases wherein ieung is on the position 3 of a syllable. Take for example, dong, sung, and pyong. Dong is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikot, o, and ieung. It's not do, but it is pronounced as dong because ieung has the ng sound because it is in position 3. The same thing goes with sung. It's a combination of the sounds of siat, u, and ieung. Pyong also has an ieung on the third position. That's why it is pronounced as pyong. The character on the first position of the syllable is ieung and it has no sound. The second character is a, and the third character is another ieung, but this time it has the ng sound. So on this case, you only have to apply both rules. Again, the rule is if ieung is in position 1, it has no sound, and if it is in position 3, it has the ng sound. let's study the examples of the use of ieung on word number 1. 안녕하세요. 안녕 could be divided into 2 syllables. 안녕. An is formed from the combination of the sounds of a and niun, with an ieung character on the first position, while nyong is formed from the combination of the sounds of niun, yo, and ieung. On the syllable an, since ieung is on position 1, it only serves as a placeholder. Therefore, it has no sound. On the second syllable, nyong, ieung is on position 3. That's why it has the ieung or the ing sound. The second part of the expression 안녕하세요 has an ieung character on the third syllable yo. Since ieung is in position 1, it has no sound and it only serves as a placeholder. Now let's see how ieung character is used on the word ieung itself. Ieung could be divided into 2 syllables. Ieung. The first syllable is just the sound of e with an ieung on the first position. And since it is on the first position, it has no sound. On the second syllable, we have 2 ieung characters. The first ieung is at position 1, therefore it has no sound. The second ieung is at position 3, therefore it has the ng sound. And with that, you just learned how to use ieung. Now, let's test your learning by taking the following exercises. Read this. This is read as in. The ieung on the first position has no sound. Read this. This is read as song. Ieung is at position 3, therefore it has the ng sound. Read this. This is read as ieung. Congrats! You may also check for other supplementary videos available on this YouTube channel. You may look into a video about the vowel sounds of Hangul, and we also have a video about the consonant sounds of Hangul. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean lessons and words. I'll be seeing you on the next video. Bye!